Hello, all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have a special unboxing from the Indiana Jones World of Adventure. Looking at this image, it has 2.5-inch Helena Shaw action figure, the striking red motorbike with the launcher, and we'll get back to it later. Let's unbox this and see what we have inside the box. We have here the striking red color motorbike. This bike isn't just for a show, the bike also comes with a launcher, with a net projectile adding an element of action and adventure. And everything is plastic, there is no die cast metal in it. And I like this cute little backpack. The set includes a bag that reveals a golden skull. That's a beauty. I feel like it's add a touch of mystery and excitement with this set. Now we have here the Helena Shaw figure. This set wouldn't be complete without this character, as it includes a 2.3-inch figure of Helena Shaw, complete with the articulated hand and flex both for the realistic movement and for posing. And it matches to the image. And she looks really cute with that green backpack. It's a bit challenging, but with a little patience, you can pose it and sit on it bike. Once done, it looks really cool. This set seems to have a lots of detail and thoughts put into it, making it a great choice for fans of the Indiana Jones or anyone who enjoys the action-packed playset. However, it's really hard to make it stand, especially when you add the launcher to the bike. That's why it's difficult to keep it upright. I have even made a video about it, which you can find the link card in the description. It's about the Indiana Jones. Please share your thoughts about these items in the comments. If you're a fan of Indiana Jones, this set should be a part of your collection. I'm really impressed with these figures. And don't forget about the giveaway on the channel, so stay tuned for more exciting content. That's it for today's video. Remember to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.